Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating.
You're back, son. Bop.
Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have curry chicken prepared by Richie.
Catered by me. You know what it is already, you know?
It's been a while, family.
Yes, they know that already.
We are sorry. We are here. We are eating. We are going.
We're going, you know? You know how it is already, family. You know how it is, man, you know? You gotta go through them times, you know? A lot of personal stuff, you know? We gotta take care of it. We're taking care of it. So we are here now. So what are we doing first, lady?
I was fucked up. You know, my back was hurting me.
We know. But we know we have to get different stuff together, you know?
Yes.
So we already told them what we got over here already.
So Richie made the curry chicken.
I made the curry chicken.
So you put carrots in it this time, my love?
Carrots. I put, you know, the seasoning, the green pepper, the tomato, scotch bonnet pepper. You know what I mean? The regular. You feel me? So we're doing.
It's hot.
Wait, do y'all want some or not? Let me get them some money.
Get them some. It's been a while.
I like some when I care about that time.
You're probably not taking it.
Yes, man. I'm more closer to your money.
Don't move too
Oh, family! This is our new camera.
Yes.
So we're gonna let us know how it looks. We're testing it out, okay?
We sure are.
Should I get them some?
You might give them some. They deserve it.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a piece of the carrot and the rice alone because I know some of y'all don't eat meat, but here, look at that. Look at that. Okay.
This is good.
Good? Yeah. That's what they needed.
Pepper.
Family. Listen, man. What's up, though? Oh,
I know they are surprised to see us. They're probably like, is this real? It's real, guys.
We're here.
Okay? We are here in the flesh. And let me tell you something. Well, I already told you guys on the live already. You know what was going on with me. You know? Nothing. I was messed up.
We're here, family.
But
And then,
I'm feeling somewhat better. A lot better, actually. Thank you. And I'm glad I'm feeling better before my birthday because I was getting annoyed by that. That's the main reason why I wanted to make sure that I rest. Because my birthday is coming up. So I don't want to be no pain for my birthday.
I got a big surprise for First Lady.
He keeps on saying that.
I'm not telling y'all because y'all would tell on me. Y'all just gonna see. First Lady have no clue. Got something for her. First Lady turning 40 and fabulous.
God.
Come on now, so you know I gotta go big. Go big, I'll go home. Where's coming? No, I'm not gonna tell you. Stop asking. Just gonna see it. But other than that, we've been good, you know? And I said before, the person said before, we have a lot of plans for 2022, right?
I know you guys missed us and we missed you too. Trust me.
Big fact, but you know, break is well needed, you know?
Yeah.
Everybody took break. A lot of people took break.
Yeah.
It's well needed, you know? So now, we're back on it, you know?
Let me tell you
Trying to
something.
give you some good content now because now we have to go hard because we should have been
where we were supposed to be.
At, you know?
But let me tell you something. We were still eating good off camera though. Girl.
I tell you that. You was going hard. No
Hard,
cap.
hard. So.
Damn, I'm drinking watermelon juice. I drop it on the move.
I'm trying to update you guys on some stuff. But it's not really much. I was just in, you know, I wasn't feeling good. That's the problem. But I am now.
Feel a little bit better, but it's not gonna get better, you know? You're always gonna be in pain.
Always.
No?
But I'm excited for my birthday, dog.
Where you gonna be your birthday?
Try me.
Where you gonna for your birthday?
Try me. You know what?
First day they got everything where she want for her birthday already. First day they don't need nothing. They need nothing.
I want to go somewhere, not Jamaica.
Something anywhere but not Jamaica?
No. Listen. I know you guys are like, why would you want to go to Jamaica? It's a beautiful place. It's a beautiful place. Yes, it is. I know. I was born there. But I've gone to Jamaica plenty of times. Jamaica is a home. I want to go to a place that I've never been. I've never experienced. There's too much world to not experience, you know?
That's true.
If you have the opportunity to, travel.
You're right.
And people think traveling is out of their reach. It's not. It really is not. Just put money away to the side.
Yeah.
Every time you get paid, before you know it, you pay for your trip.
It's true.
They make it very easy.
Yep. Very, very easy.
Yeah.
Yep. First lady like traveling. Huh?
I love traveling.
You love traveling, but we can't do long flights. We don't like that.
Speak for yourself.
You don't like that. You don't like long flights.
I love flights.
But
one day I want to go to Africa.
one day
Yep.
Right?
Man, this is good.
My nose I run. Come put a piece of pepper in it again, man. Nose I run now. And my lip. I wipe out my lip and it's burning. But your family. But listen now. Stay close to your phone, your TV, whatever. It's gonna be a movie. I'm telling you, don't miss this. One of the best gifts ever. Ever first lady ever get from me. And it's well deserved. She deserve it. First lady.
I got some good gifts now.
I got a good first lady. Even though she get on my nerves sometimes.
I get on my nerves.
But first lady's a boss. Good first lady right
If
here.
your significant other doesn't get on your nerves, something wrong.
But I hope you love it. Okay?
I love it.
Okay.
Just a bit.
No, I'm not talking about my hope you love it. Love your
My gift, yeah.
birthday gift.
Wherever you take me, I've had fun.
You like the chicken leg? Nice.
I love chicken leg. A family member already know already that when I cut up the chicken leg, nobody eats it.
All I tell first lady is this: shop time. Go get some stuff. That's all. That's all I told her. You told her that? I tell you that?
I've been shopping.
I said, shop time. Go get some stuff. Just know where you going. You're gonna need bathing suit too.
What?
Yeah.
A beer tongue bathing suit me get to know?
She not wearing no tongue here. She not wearing no tongue bathing suit my room. But I told her to go shop time. Cause I got a surprise for her. You know what I'm saying? But
Beer tongue bathing suits I go wear. Yeah. I'm wearing thong bathing suits, okay?
You're not wearing no tongue, man.
I am 40 and fabulous. That's what I'm saying? I'm gonna go wear it. Butter cheek, bouncing.
First lady's a cougar.
Like Spike said.
You're not wearing no tongue, Mayo.
Butter cheek, bouncing.
Family, look at that though.
Bounce.
You're gonna be turning up.
Yes.
And y'all gonna see everything.
You guys want to see everything? Maybe they don't. Maybe they don't care. I don't know.
They want to see girl. You're turning 40. They want to see.
Shit, I want to see.
And also for the nosy viewers, them too. The family member is a red, you know. Family member, they rather die. You know what I mean? But for the nosy one, them they want to see.
They want to see.
I'm gonna make them see. But other than that, be back, you know?
What you guys been up to anyway?
Okay.
Who got pregnant? Who got married?
Who got married for real?
You know? Who got a new boo?
Exactly.
Who got a new job? Who don't have a new boo? Who got a new job?
Yeah.
Who thinking about quitting their job?
Exactly. Let us know. We've been gone for a minute, now we back again. Before?
Man, I'm just because you don't
Yeah,
like that
I don't
part.
eat that. I know why you always put that part of my food.
I didn't put it on your side. I put it in the middle. Okay?
Look at that curry. That's that rich curry right here.
It's really good, Tom.
Good?
Very good.
Thank you.
I appreciate you cooking. Because it's my birthday month.
You know, you still know the edit? You didn't pick up the laptop in a long time. Family.
Trust me.
I don't even know if she know how to edit still because, yo, she ain't been.
You ain't lying.
Wow. So if you see no bloopers, we forgot. It's been a while.
I hope it's recording. Yeah, it's recording.
Yeah, I know we were doing it off the phone, but now we got a camera, dog. With uptime now.
Napkin, honey?
Napkin for the boss right here. Anything for the boss.
Yeah, so I'm gonna edit this video. Hopefully I still got it.
Yeah, for real.
Oh god.
That for busting.
It's busting. I told you that. You thought I was lying? If I'm lying, I'm flying.
It's hitting hard. I don't care. And the gravy just soaking the rice.
Soaking the rice. You don't have to fight for no gravy. Gravy everywhere. Oh.
Your birthday starting now. First day of the birthday starting now.
I gotta do something to my hair. And I'm going to.
Yes. I got used to the hair now. I know you're acting. Yep. I got used to it now.
Yeah, Richie likes it. No, he loves it.
I don't like it. I love it.
He loves it.
Because I'm giving her first day all the styles, you know?
Oh God.
Me and first day got the same hairstyle. I got a fade, first lady got a fade.
Whatever.
You know?
When we go get our hair done, we get it done together.
Style. Style. That's crazy.
It is crazy, but
I never would imagine that. So maybe I get your same haircut, my youth.
But I get the same haircut like you. You a follow me, too follow fashion.
Yeah, fade, my fade and your fade.
That's what I'm getting?
You get another fade. What you get? My youth.
Yeah.
I never bought that food, my youth.
So that's where the back is cut down. And the top is tall. That's a fade.
It could be lower too, but
Oh. I gotta learn this because all I know is braids, you know, weaves, wigs.
I got a low cut fade. You know what I'm saying? I got the genuine cut.
But what I like is that because we're going somewhere for my birthday, I don't have to deal with my hair. And Richie said we're gonna be going to, you know, to the pool or to the beach. It's, you know, so I can go to the beach even though I'm not really a fan of the beach. But I'm gonna get the fan of the beach now because I don't have to do my hair. You understand? Okay.
You're gonna be doing a lot of things, but you never expected. That's all you need to know. I'm not saying no more because I'm not telling you because you want to know to go tell first lady in the DMs. So I'm not telling you no more. That's it. Just know it's coming.
It is coming. It's coming, Tom? Okay, I took too long enough. He hasn't even told me a date. So
I told you to get ready, right?
yeah, he did tell me it's sometime this week.
Okay.
Right? So I've been getting prepared.
Prepare.
Grocery shopping.
Swiping that card.
Swipey no swipey.
Swiping.
Swipey no swipey.
First lady just swiping at that card. But yeah, you deserve it. You're a good.
Are you?
You're a good wife, my youth.
Yeah, pom.
Yo, you're not gonna bra my youth?
No.
Yo, I know. Why you waste my
That's my
time?
business, man. Oh.
Damn, yo.
I can feel me up on camera.
I waste my money buying a bra my youth. But yo, family. Real talk, but we glad to be back. You know how we just talk whatever we want to talk. We come like, yeah, right here next to us.
I love it. No, I'm hungry.
Oh, I was just about to go say something.
Oh.
If we talk about the to the back, no.
No.
Okay. I see I almost snitched something. Almost. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
You can't do much?
Yes.
Okay.
We were talking about it earlier.
Oh, yes.
We'll tell you soon, don't worry.
We soon tell your family. Yes, it was good. Very good.
Whew. You put your foot in this curry chicken.
Good, right?
And curry chicken is my favorite.
No, I thought what you got was your favorite.
Curry, anything. Ground beef?
Yeah. You love ground beef though.
No, I don't. Yeah, curry's my favorite.
I don't want your ladies friend them jump on me.
Oh, they did last time.
Everybody jump on me.
Yep.
That was good though.
Yeah.
Okay, family. Let me finish this cause ain't nothing changed. I'm still eating my food. I'm telling you, that's one thing. Still gonna eat my food. I got a good word for y'all today. I hope y'all like it.
We are excited to be back. Trust me.
Very. Very.
Excited.
I'm gonna try to push it now. I'm gonna try to push it. This is good, y'all.
Excuse me?
And the bone,
Excuse me, Mimi? Soak with the gravy. Right? You chew it up, you char it up.
Look at that.
You got it to the bone. If you season your meat right,
What kind of meat you want to season, so?
then you
What kind of meat you season, why
love seasoned meat.
you love season
You
meat?
season the meat right, the bone is the best part. You suck it, all the gravy.
You season meat, I suck it. Family, I'm just right here picking something on the floor, so don't think I disappeared. Alright, family, I got something for y'all. That was good for a lady.
It was very good. You make it.
But I'm telling you, it was good. I know I make it my day. Family member know I could cook. You don't need, even if you try to lie, they know I could cook.
But this is your first time making curry chicken on the camera?
I think on the camera, yeah. But I could cook it. Okay, family. You ready? Family, listen up. First lady, listen up, okay? This is a good one. First lady. Family, everything heals. Your heart heals. Your mind heals. Your happiness is always going to come back. Bad times don't last.
That's true.
Alright? So whatever you're going through, if it's bad, good time always going to come back.
Always.
Always, you know what I'm saying?
And you make it come back.
You're going to make it come back, you know what I'm saying? We appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. If you're new, I am Richie, and this is Shanice, aka First Lady, one and only, the boss. You know what I'm saying? For all the viewers, we appreciate y'all too, and the family members, we love y'all. Bless up. Go on, First Lady.
Okay, and you guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Another mukbang, of course. Bye.
Woo.